Microsoft starts shaming unsupported Windows 11 PC but offers a way to deal with it. Microsoft has started shaming unsupported or ineligible Windows 11 computers with a desktop watermark that says system requirements not meet. The watermark has been around for a while, but it's only started rolling out to devices in production. Thankfully, you can disable these watermarks according to Microsoft. As you probably know, Windows 11 launched with complex requirements such as TPM 2.0, Trusted Platform Module 8 generation or newer processor and more. Windows 11 can still be installed on unsupported hardware, and Microsoft has a support document that explains how this feat can be achieved. Microsoft has no plans to block Windows 11 updated on unsupported PCs. Still, the company wants to shame those installations by putting the watermark on the desktop and inside the Windows Settings app. The hope is that some non-tech savvy people may find the watermark intriguing enough to upgrade their hardware. While Microsoft is increasing its efforts to prompt users to upgrade their hardware, the company continues to offer a loophole. Microsoft published documentation in October 2022 highlighting steps to remove the title Managing Windows 11 System Requirements Not Meet message in your organization. Microsoft documentation confirmed that Windows 11 Pro and Enterprise customers could modify their group policies to remove system requirements not meet. Go to settings to learn more from desktop and settings. This issue watermark occurs when the device hardware does not meet minimum system requirements. Microsoft noted in the documentation supported by Microsoft Windows latest. The company added that administrators could turn off the system requirements not met message using a group policy editor or a device management solution. To do this, user need to follow these simple steps. Open Windows Start menu or search. Type group policy. This won't work in Windows Home. Go to local computer policy, computer configuration, administrative template system. Enable the policy hide message when Windows system requirements are not met. Click OK if you see this message and do not have Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise where group policy editor is achievable. Here how to remove the watermark by changing the registry editor. As always, don't forget to take a backup of the Windows registry. Open registry editor, click hierarchy, current user, explain control panel, click the unsupported hardware notification cache folder, right click the SV2 entry, select modify, change the value to 0, click OK, reboot your PC and the watermark should disappear. It's possible Microsoft won't be content to let this continue in future, but it won't take long before workaround pop up that will allow user to bypass restriction if imposed by the tech giant.